श्री कृष्ण सेवा मंडल द्वारा संचालित आरजीएस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल के छात्रों ने 100% रिजल्ट लाया है। इस स्कूल में 3 छात्रों ने 95% से अधिक मार्क्स प्राप्त किए हैं। विशेष गुणों से उत्तीर्ण छात्रों से और स्कूल प्रबंधन प्रिंसिपल से आइए जानते हैं उन्होंने इस मौके पर क्या कहा।
I am Lavina Chuk and I have scored 95% results in my board. And for this, I am thankful to my God, with whose blessings I was able to work hard. I would also thank my parents who supported me in everything, in my studies, in my academic activities, and I also thank my teachers with whose help I was able to score well. Being a student, I have been able to uplift myself just because of my teachers' efforts, their support, love, care, and guidance. A special thanks to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Juliet Cotino ma'am, who never stepped back in helping us. The person whose efforts we cannot ignore are our teachers. And I have been studying in this school since nursery, and trust me, I found it as the best part of my life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bhumi Bindrani from RGS English High School, and I have secured 95.2% in my SSC board examinations. It's an overwhelming moment for me, as today my hard work has finally paid off. I would like to give a big thanks to my principal, Mrs. Juliet Cotino ma'am, and entire RGS teachers for teaching and guiding me. Whenever we used to have any doubts related to any subject, each and every teacher used to try their best to guide us and clear our doubts. Even whenever ma'am used to come on round, she always used to ask whether we have any doubts, and she used to clear our doubts. In spite of the fact that COVID-19 had blocked all the ways to education, RGS, under the guidance of our principal, Mrs. Juliet Cotino ma'am, tried their best to provide quality education to us. And I would like to give a special thanks to my parents for always supporting and guiding me. Thank you.
हाँ, मैं भूमि's मॉम, मेरी डॉटर भूमि बिंद्रानी आरजीएस इंग्लिश स्कूल में पढ़ती है। 10th स्टैंडर्ड में 95.20% से पास हुई है, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और इसका क्रेडिट आरजीएस के सब टीचर्स और प्रिंसिपल जूलियट कोटिनो मैम को जाता है। उनके हार्डवर्क से आज हमारे बच्चे इतने अच्छे मार्क्स से स्कोर करके और पास हुए हैं। इवन इस स्कूल की एक बेस्ट बात यह है कि यहाँ पे बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जो है बच्चों का वो क्लियर किया जाता है, ताकि बच्चा अगर आगे जाता है तो वहाँ पे उसका डाउट जो है वो सॉल्व होते हैं, तो वहाँ पे उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आती है। तो इसी वजह से हमारे बच्चों ने अच्छा स्कोर किया है, तो उसके लिए मैं सब प्रिंसिपल और टीचर्स को धन्यवाद देती हूँ। थैंक यू।
It is one of the happiest day of my life. What can be more satisfying than being topped in the school and having such a great percentage? I never took pressure of board exams because I used to study regularly at least for 2 hours. It was not at all possible only with my hard work, but it was possible due to the support of my parents and by the guidance of teachers. I was very happy when I saw 95 marks in Marathi and 91 marks in English. It was due to the guidance of Deshmukh sir in Marathi and due to the guidance of Sunita Pawar teacher in English. And I would like to express my gratitude towards all subject teachers, Neetu teacher, Gautam sir, Alpha teacher, and Jaya Bhatia teacher, Lata teacher, Rakhi teacher, for always motivating me in my bad times. 95.60%. I got 95.60% in 10th board examination. The major role in my success is of my school, and the most important role was of my principal, Juliet ma'am. She always motivated us. She never let us feel that we are down. She guided us individually, and personally she guided me in English. Our school never told that do not take part in these activities. They always supported us to take part in sports, drawing, and extracurricular activities. I would like to express my gratitude towards my school. Thank you. My school is the best. My teachers are the best. I love RGS. I was very blessed to have such a kind and caring principal, Ms. Juliet Cotino. She took charge of primary section when I was in 4th. It was a time when we learned first time how to write paper based on concepts, not by hearting answers. And it was the time when she introduced us to take part in competitive exam. Not only she introduced us to take part, but also she guided. With her guidance, I stood second in international level English Olympiad. And with that, she also helped me to take part in inter-school sports competition. Without her, it was not at all possible to stand here. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नारायण कृष्णा पानीग्राही है। मैं आरजीएस अंग्रेजी माध्यम के बच्चों को हिंदी सिखाता हूँ। आज ये बच्चे जो कुछ भी है, इसका पूरा श्रेय उनको भी जाता है, उनके परिवार वालों को भी जाता है और साथ ही हमारे प्राध्यापक मैडम को भी जाता है, क्योंकि इनके सिवाय हम कुछ नहीं है और ना ही हमारे बच्चे हैं। क्योंकि आज जो भी हम यहाँ पे हैं, हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पे, उनका पूरा श्रेय उन्हें भी जाता है, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें पुश किया और बाकी हमने इन्हें। और आज इन सब का जो आखिरी जो हमें फल मिला है या फल प्राप्त हुआ है, वो ये है कि हमारे बच्चे 95 के ऊपर स्कोर कर पाए हैं। और 95 के ऊपर स्कोर करने के लिए मैं इन सबको बधाई देता हूँ। और साथ ही साथ आरजीएस स्कूल के सभी मेंबर्स, टीचर्स, इवन हमारे जो स्टाफ मेंबर्स है या जो हमारे ऑफिस मेंबर्स है, उनका भी इसमें बहुत सहयोग है। तो उन सभी को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
I am, in fact, the entire school is top of the world. We are on the seventh cloud. Extremely happy with the result. 100% result is a great achievement, and my students have done very well. It's for me, it's like dream come true. I am dreaming about this day. I was dreaming about this day since 2016, and since then, when this batch was in 4th standard, that time only I had recognized their talents and caliber. So I understood that they will do something great, and I congratulate all the toppers, Nete, Yash, and Lavina, Bhumi, and Benke Shrishti, and Gite Anand. Smile. He never smiles. Okay, and the entire staff of RGS and the management is very happy with the result of the RGS. And I wish all my wishes to all the toppers for their future and their plans. May God help them to be successful in life. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello, my name is Srishti Pandurang Benke. I got 92.6% in SSC board exams. I am thankful to my school and my parents and my all dear teachers and my principal.
माझी मुलगी सृष्टी पांडुरंग बेनके, हिला 10वीला 92.60% पडलेलं आहे। तर मी याचं सगळं श्रेय आरजीएस इंग्लिश हायस्कूल यांना देते आणि यांच्या स्टाफ आणि मुख्याध्यापिकांना धन्यवाद सांगते। थँक्यू।
Hi, I am Vedan Gite from RGS English High School. I have got 92.6% in SSC examination.
कोणार्क, अपना शहर, अपनी बातें।